Switching gears now to our weather. It's Friday, the weekend's here. Let's check in with Lonnie Quinn for an update.
Okay, well, let's get right to it because, Mo, you and I have talked about this before. The weekends are great no matter what the weather's doing.
Doesn't matter.
This one we're going to do okay with sunshine, at least for half the weekend. But we got to talk about jacket selection because it's going to get colder out there. Here's your picture right now, gang. So it's a process of watching the skies clear as you go through the overnight hours. And that's what's taking place right now. You're 48. High temperature today was 50. Now 50 is 5 degrees cooler than average. Well, of course it is. Okay, you were cloud covered throughout the day, a light rain falling out there. You start off at 47 this morning. Well, you're colder tomorrow morning with a clear sky. It's 41, and then we get up to only 52 degrees. Almost the exact same temperature tomorrow that you had today, but you're doing it with all kinds of sunshine. That is what I refer to as ineffective sunshine. It's just not doing its job and warming us up. We have a chilly day out there, but a bright day. Now, the skies, they are just fine right now. High pressure in control. Look at all that clear air. By the time we get to Sunday, this front, cutting through the Rockies, will scoop up this warm front in Texas. That gives us our chance for Sunday's storm. So let me map that out for you. Here's what it looks like. So put it into motion. Saturday morning, Saturday during the daytime hours, you're fine. Here's 2 o'clock Saturday. Now we go into Sunday. So remember, that front's going to come into the area. So, a few more clouds out there Sunday morning. But basically, the first half of your Sunday, that's the time, if you've got to do anything outside, that you do it during the first half of the day, because after lunch is when some rain starts to push into the area. And some of that rain is going to get heavy at times. That's a pretty good line coming through even the metro areas around 6 p.m. But again, computer models, right? You give and you take. Maybe it's an hour early, maybe it's an hour later. And then it gets heavy out around the east end. This is showing 8 p.m. But look, the city and points west are clearing out at that hour, and now the colder air starts to come in behind that front, so cold that any leftover moisture, now there's not a lot of leftover moisture, but anything left over could be a snowflake flying around, especially north and west of the city. Now, I've got to talk to you about the winds on Sunday, because not Saturday, I don't see them being a problem there, but Sunday, as that front's coming through, look at some of these gusts, 40, 50-mile-per-hour gusts, some gusts possibly over 50 miles per hour. And then as you go from Sunday night into Monday morning, those winds shift, and that westerly, sort of northwest wind is going to be colder, and that's why they're maybe not blowing as strong, but 20s and 30s out there. It'll turn any rain or any little bit of moisture to a snowflake out there. So it's not going to be a big snow event, but I just want you to know you could see one. 52 Saturday, 58 Sunday. So Sunday's milder, but it's not the nicer day. 55 Monday, then the very cold air sets up for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You said it before, Mo, you got lows down to the freezing mark and highs only in the, I'll say, lower to mid 40s for some of those days. Guys, get the bigger coats out.
We're going to feel it, Lonnie. Thank you.
All right.